Hello, this is Muhammad Umar, and today I'll be teaching you how to set up Microsoft Clarity in your Shopify store. So this is really important because Lucky Orange and Hotjar are quite expensive and they charge you per sessions. So in case you have a big website with a lot of traffic coming in, it's going to cost you a lot of money. So this is a free tool by Microsoft, and what you have to do is you have to sign up for Microsoft Clarity. Just type in Microsoft Clarity in the Google and you can sign up using your Google account or any other email account. Then you have to click on to new project. You can here type in your website name and website URL, for example mywebsite.com, and this is going to create a new project here. Once you are here, you can just go and click on this view all platforms, click on Shopify, and this is the code that you're going to use. Once you have copied this code, go to your theme, which you can easily open by going to themes, clicking on actions and then edit code. This will bring you to this page. Here you can go to theme.liquid. Click here, press Control or Command in case of iOS, and press F. Control plus F or Command plus F. Here you can write head this. So basically this is so you can type just above this head, you can paste in your code and you're done. Once you have done this, the last step is once you have done this, you can just, now it is connected, and the last thing that you can do is go to settings and click on setups and also connect your Google Analytics. So you just have to click on get started, and if with the existing analytics accounts in your email, you can click here. You can select your account. You can give the Clarity access to your Gmail account for the analytics. Once you're here, you can just choose the website. For example, in this case, I'm going to choose any of these websites and then click save, and it's going to connect automatically. So that's about it. After this, it will start tracking the recordings, the user sessions and heat maps, and you can go to dashboard. After this setup, just save this and you can see all the recordings and the heat maps. Thank you.